To draw a cat, we'll begin by drawing a circle. So after we finish drawing the circle, we'll add two ears using pointed. With this done, we'll now put the eyes with two curves on either side. Then we'll join this. After this, we'll draw a line which partitions. Next, we'll draw a triangle and we'll extend a line. From this line, we'll draw two U-shaped alphabets. Then we'll add whiskers, and inside the nose we'll color using black. And once finished, we'll color the eye using yellow and the cat using pink. And that's how you draw a cat.